Ready to turn your backyard into the ultimate hangout spot? These Amazon finds will help you relax, entertain, and add a touch of style to your outdoor space, all without breaking a sweat. From smart lighting to clever seating and decor, we've got everything to make your backyard shine. All the links are waiting for you in the description below. Cooking outdoors doesn't have to be chaotic. This folding camping table gives you a sturdy surface, plus 3 tiers of storage to keep everything neat. Side pockets hold utensils and tools, while the zippered middle compartment keeps food safe from bugs. It sets up in seconds, then folds into a slim case with a handle when you're done. Lightweight yet strong, it's like bringing a mini kitchen to the campsite. Why sit on the ground when you can relax in comfort anywhere? This ultralight camping chair weighs just over 2 pounds, yet sets up in seconds with a snap-together frame. The breathable fabric keeps you cool, while reinforced stitching gives it lasting strength. Special anti-sink feet stop it from sliding into sand or soft ground. It packs down small enough for your backpack, making it the perfect travel companion. Who says camping has to mean roughing it? This inflatable camp setup looks like a tiny modern home you can take anywhere. It opens wide on all sides for fresh air and views. With a top cover you can close when you want shade or privacy. Inside, there's even an inflatable mattress included, so you're ready to rest in comfort. Spacious, airy, and fun, it turns the outdoors into your living room. Imagine turning your backyard into a private retreat. This outdoor spa bath setup looks like a sleek mini home, complete with doors for privacy and style. Inside, you'll find a hot tub to soak in, shelves for all your essentials, and even a TV for entertainment. It's cozy, modern, and designed for total relaxation. A perfect blend of luxury and comfort, right outside your door. No more tossing your bag in the sand or balancing drinks on shaky tables. This clever umbrella hook keeps everything off the ground and within reach. Just snap it onto your umbrella pole and hang towels, hats, bags, or even speakers. The stainless steel design is tough enough for beach days and breezy patios. Simple, sturdy, and smart. It's the extra hand you didn't know you needed. Hot sand, long hikes, or a weekend by the lake, this cooler is built to keep up. Its heavy-duty insulation keeps ice frozen for days, so your drinks stay chilled no matter how far you wander. A special dry storage drawer separates food from melting ice, keeping snacks crisp and fresh. Rugged wheels roll smoothly over any terrain, from beaches to campgrounds. Big enough for a crowd, yet easy to move wherever you go. Packing light just got smarter. This pocket-sized air pump is small enough to slip in your backpack, yet strong enough to inflate a float in seconds. It doesn't just fill things with air, it also works in reverse, sucking air out of storage bags to save space. Built-in light turns it into a handy lantern for camping nights, with an emergency SOS mode for safety. Rechargeable and ready anywhere, it's a true outdoor multitasker. Who says you need a campfire for the perfect s'more? This tabletop s'mores maker brings the fun indoors with a safe, flameless heater that toasts marshmallows to golden perfection. 4 trays hold your graham crackers, chocolate, and marshmallows, keeping everything within easy reach. Stainless steel roasting sticks let you roast without the mess. It's the sweetest way to turn family night into a cozy campfire experience. No wood required. Grilling just got smarter. This charcoal BBQ grill rotates 360 degrees, so you don't have to keep flipping food or risk burning your hands. A simple lever lets you turn the grate with ease, cooking both sides evenly. You can even raise or lower the charcoal basin to control heat, keeping steaks juicy and veggies perfect. Durable, portable, and easy to clean, it's a backyard upgrade built for serious barbecue lovers. Meet the table that's secretly the life of the party. At first glance, it looks like a stylish outdoor side table. But lift the top, and you'll find a hidden cooler that holds up to 40 cans, keeping drinks chilled and within reach. Use it closed as a coffee table or popped up as the perfect hot tub companion. Durable, weather-resistant, and easy to drain, it's built for endless backyard fun. No more sticky hands or messy spills at the beach. This refillable sunscreen applicator uses a soft roll-on sponge to spread lotion evenly across your skin. It's gentle enough for kids, making sunscreen time quick and fuss-free. A handy strap clips onto your bag so it's always within reach. Durable, travel-friendly, and hygienic, it makes sun protection simple for the whole family. Dinner outside doesn't have to come with unwanted guests. This hanging mosquito net slips right over your patio umbrella, creating a full 360-degree shield against bugs. The polyester mesh is lightweight yet strong, letting the breeze through while keeping pests out. A zipper door makes it easy to step in and out, and the weighted bottom keeps it steady. It's a simple way to turn your patio into a bug-free retreat. Your evenings outdoors just got brighter and more colorful. This umbrella light clips on in seconds and floods your table with warm white or vibrant colors. With 20 LEDs and a handy remote, you can set the mood for dinner, games, or late-night chats. It runs on simple batteries, so no messy cords needed. Perfect for patios, camping trips, or anywhere you want instant atmosphere after dark. Turn night into day wherever you are. This telescoping LED skylight rises up to 12 feet and throws out 6,000 lumens, lighting up an area the size of a football field. Its adjustable panels let you spread the glow wide or focus it where you need it most. Perfect for camping, tailgates, or job sites. It even doubles as emergency backup lighting at home. Portable, durable, and water-resistant. It's ready for anything. Bring the pizzeria straight to your backyard. This portable pizza oven runs on wood, charcoal, or gas, giving you that authentic flame-cooked taste every time. It heats up fast, reaching the blazing temps needed to bake a pizza in just 60 seconds. The built-in thermometer keeps cooking under control, while the pizza stone delivers that perfect crisp crust. Compact, versatile, and fun. It's a game changer for outdoor cooking. Camping just got a futuristic makeover. This transparent dome house gives you a 360 degrees view of the sky while keeping you safe from rain, wind, and bugs. Made from tough waterproof polycarbonate, it feels like sleeping outdoors without actually roughing it. You can stargaze, read, or just lounge in complete comfort. It's your own little bubble of luxury, perfect for backyards, camping trips, or cozy retreats. Who says great grilling needs fire and smoke? This portable electric grill gives you the sear and flavor you love without flare-ups or messy cleanup. The stainless steel body makes it tough enough for outdoor cooking, but sleek enough for your kitchen counter. Its non-stick grate lifts off easily and goes straight into the dishwasher. Just plug it in, twist the knob, and you're ready to cook indoors or out. This DIY Darth Vader BBQ is built entirely from scrap metal, turning old cylinders and sheets into a functional grill shaped like the Sith Lord's helmet. The hinged mask opens to reveal the cooking chamber with added wheels for mobility and a flue for ventilation. Finished in heat-proof black paint, it looks straight out of Star Wars, a project that makes grilling feel like joining the dark side. Nights outdoors just got a serious upgrade. This 7-in-1 camping lantern isn't just a light, it's a fan, a Bluetooth speaker, an air pump, and even a power bank to charge your phone. You get both a wide floodlight to brighten your campsite and a focused spotlight for detail work. The rechargeable battery keeps it going for hours, and it's built tough enough to handle splashes. Why settle for a pool float when you can have your own floating island? This massive inflatable seats up to 6 people, making it the ultimate hangout on the water. A detachable sunshade keeps you cool, while a built-in cooler bag keeps drinks within reach. The sturdy vinyl design holds strong, and multiple air chambers keep it stable. Perfect for parties, lazy afternoons, or turning the lake into your private lounge. Backyard parties just got an upgrade. This rolling ice chest keeps up to 80 quarts of drinks cold and ready to serve. Locking wheels let you move it anywhere, while a handy shelf below adds storage for extra supplies. The built-in bottle opener and cap catcher make serving smooth and mess-free. It stays chilled for up to 2 days, so your drinks keep flowing all weekend long. Forget heavy wooden chairs. You can now relax anywhere on an inflatable one. This full-size seat feels just like a classic Adirondack, but packs down small enough to carry with one hand. You simply inflate it, and you've got armrests, a solid back, and cushioned comfort in minutes. Strong enough to handle plenty of weight, yet light enough for the beach, dock, or campsite. It's your portable lounge chair for any adventure. Think of it as a garage, gazebo, and luxury shield all in one. This innovative covering system unfolds into a futuristic shelter for cars, motorcycles, campers, or even boats. The special panels protect against sun, hail, ice, and all those outdoor nuisances that can damage your ride or space. You can even use it as a pool cover, veranda, or outdoor lounge. Stylish, customizable, and practical, it's protection reimagined.